Welcome to the top 5 most beautiful waterfalls in the world. First, Seljalandsfoss in Iceland, famous for walking behind the falling water. Next, Iguazu Falls in Argentina, a massive system of over 270 waterfalls. Then Plitvice lakes in Croatia, known for turquoise lakes and natural cascades. Victoria Falls in Zambia, one of the largest and most powerful waterfalls on Earth. Finally, Niagara Falls in Canada, a world-famous natural wonder. Which one amazed you the most?